In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite and manage an accountant in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner keeping track of your finances or someone managing a larger organization, having your accountant directly involved in your QuickBooks Online account can significantly streamline your financial management. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online, open up your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you commonly use. In the address bar, type quickbooksintuit.com. This will take you to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Now, find the Sign In button. It usually sits prominently on this page. Click on it and enter your account credentials, which include your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but if you're already using QuickBooks, simply sign in as usual. Once you're signed in, your next stop is to go to the Manage Users section. This is where you'll have the option to add an accountant to your team of collaborators. In the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard, there's a gear icon that acts as a menu to access various settings. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option under the section titled Your Company, called Manage Users, and select it. This is the place where you control user access to your account. Now comes the exciting part, inviting your accountant. In the Manage Users area, there is a tab titled Accounting Firms. Click on it to proceed. You'll see an option to invite accountant. Selecting this will prompt you to enter the necessary details. Input the accountant's name and email address, ensuring both are correct, as this is crucial for sending the invitation successfully. After confirming the details, click on Save or Send Invitation. This action will trigger an invitation email to your accountant, allowing them access to your QuickBooks account. Now let's talk about what happens on the accountant's end. They'll receive an email with your invitation. It's important for them to accept this invite to get access to your QuickBooks Online account. Once they've accepted it, you'll see them listed in your Accounting Firms tab, confirming their access to your financial data. Finally, from the same tab, you can manage your accountant's access whenever needed. If at any point you decide an accountant no longer needs access, or perhaps if they missed the invitation, you can revoke or resend invitations directly from this page. This provides you with flexibility and control over who sees your financial information. And there you have it. You've successfully invited an accountant to QuickBooks Online, streamlining your financial oversight.